Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a B-2 visa application letter. This letter is a formal document submitted to the U.S. Embassy or consulate to support your request for a B-2 tourist visa. You will begin your letter by providing your full name, address, city, postal code, email, phone number, and the date of writing. Next, you will address the letter to the visa officer at the relevant U.S. Embassy or consulate, including its name and address. The subject line should clearly state that you are applying for a B-2 tourist visa, ensuring clarity and professionalism. Start your letter with "Dear Sir, Madam" as a formal greeting. After that, write, "I am writing to apply for a B-2 tourist visa to visit the United States from start date to end date. The purpose of my trip is to explore tourist attractions, experience American culture, and spend time with my family friends residing in city, state. I have made all necessary travel arrangements, including accommodation at hotel relative's address, and have attached my itinerary and financial documents to demonstrate my ability to cover all expenses. I am currently employed as your job title at company name and have been working there for years. I have approved leave for the duration of my visit and will return to your country on return date to resume my professional duties. I have strong ties to my home country, including my job, family responsibilities, and property ownership, ensuring my return after the visit. I kindly request you to consider my application and grant me a B-2 visa. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your positive response. Sincerely, your full name." Here's our sample B-2 visa application letter. You'll notice how it clearly presents your purpose for visiting the U.S., including your travel plans, financial stability, and strong ties to your home country. The letter demonstrates that you have sufficient funds to cover your trip and a compelling reason to return after your visit. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and persuasive application letter that strengthens your chances of approval. This letter helps the reviewing officer understand your genuine intent and eligibility for the B-2 visa. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective visa documents.